There are many times that we need to measure angles to an accuracy less than 1 degree. If you imagine a circle and it's divided only into 360 pieces, while that does seem like a lot, if you're dealing with something that's very large, then the degrees are going to end up being a relatively large span there. So often we want to have a way to measure something even smaller than a degree. With the technology that's available, using the decimal parts of degree is a very frequently occurring way of measuring these small angles. But something that has been around for quite some time is using what's called the minutes and seconds of an angle. This is often used in surveying and in astronomy. So the first thing that you need to do is to calculate the number of minutes. Minutes are found by dividing a degree into 60 equal parts. What we'll be doing is we will take our decimal degree and we will multiply by 60, or if we have the minutes and we want to go 2 degrees, we will divide by 60. If you want to calculate the seconds, those are defined by dividing a minute into 60 parts. The notation here that you would use, the minutes would be a single apostrophe, and seconds is going to be the double apostrophe. So you might see an angle like this: 32 degrees, 15 minutes, and 30 seconds. Let's take a look at how we convert to degrees, minutes, and seconds, or into decimal degrees. Sometimes I have seen this written DMS. If you ever see that in context of angles, that would be this degree, minute, and seconds. So in question 1, we have 17.2 degrees. We do not need to do anything to that 17. It's a degree, we can leave it. But this 0.2, we need to turn that into minutes, since it's currently in decimal. So we take the 0.2 part only, and we are going to multiply this by 60 minutes. When we do this, we end up with 12, and so that tells us that we have 12 minutes. So our answer would be 17 degrees and 12 minutes. Now, when we have 58 degrees and 38 minutes, and we want to go into decimal, then the 58 will stay. That's going to be before the decimal. But we have this 36 minutes. What we need to do is recognize that that is 36 out of 60 degrees. And when we divide that, 36 divided by 60, we get 0.6. Put that with the 58, and we're looking at 58.6 degrees. Question 3, we have decimal degrees, so we're looking at 0.35. So in this case, we'll take the 0.35 and we will multiply by 60 minutes, and we get 0.35 times 60, and we get 21, and that's going to be 21 minutes. So our answer here is going to be 6 degrees and 21 minutes.